First one is that is order listing. Order listing. What is the meaning of order listing? And second one is the unordered listing. And third one is nested listing. Nested listing. How can we differentiate this particular content? First of all, what is the meaning of order listing? You know,
No, sir.
here we can say order listing are those listing in which we can sequentialize the content point wise. For example, if you just mention computer courses like this, computer course content, MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint. Clear? If you want to make the list by numbering or alphabetical order, you just go for this option, and here is the option is this is 1, 2, 3 is the order listing. This is order listing. This is the order listing content. Here you can easily observe the number or sequence or position of the particular content. If we use this number listing, you can easily identify the position of the particular content. For example, if we ask MS Word or MS PowerPoint on which position, you can say third position, right? You can easily point out the position of the particular text or particular label within the list. Okay, either alphabetically or number or Roman number. Clear? There are three types of available format. That is the Roman number. Here is the alphabet, and you can select anyone for the listing. And these types of listing known as order listing. Clear? In this listing,
Yes, sir.
we can easily define the order of the particular label or item in the list. Clear concept? Second one,
Yes, sir.
if we talk about the unordered listing, when any list represented by a symbolic representation of any listing like this. If you here use this symbol for the listing item, you can not decide the order of this particular item. For example, if we ask MS Excel on which order, you can't able to say. Okay, this is a very small list. Then you can also count 1, 2, 3 easily. But it becomes more than 100, then you can't able to order the you can't decide the order of the particular text or label. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear? And these types of listing, this is order listing and this is unordered listing. And what is the meaning of nested listing? Nested listing means if we talk about mix up the order and order listing, then we call it nested listing. For example, if we subdefine MS Word content, you just use tab to move within the sub listing like this. Here's the A is option. A also show like this, and here we just type home menu and insert design. What happened there? Here is the unordered listing, and in this unordered listing, we can use here what order listing. And these types of listing is known as also mixed types of listing or nested listing. Clear? If you decide the want to decide the particular listing format, firstly you have to select this content, and after selection of this particular text, just go there. This is the nesting listing or multi-level listing, and you can choose anyone from this particular block like this. What happened? It becomes a list, and that is the multi-level listing. If you want to just subdefine the particular home item, you just press enter and use tab to move on sub headings. Clear concept? And just type here.
Yes, sir.
Clipboard, font, and whenever you just press enter, it will automatically take the numbers. Okay, you don't need to type a particular listing number, it will automatically take. Okay, just see there, font, paragraph. Okay, when we press enter, it will automatically take the position 4 like this. Okay, so just type here and just we enter, and it becomes automatically taking the order according to the sequence. Clear concept? This is the
Yes, sir.
this is the all about of listing. So how many types of listing? There are three types of listing. Order listing, where we can
Order listing, unordered listing,
and
nested listing.
what are the basic difference between order and order listing?
Mm,
In order listing,
or
we can decide the order or we can denote the position of the particular label easily. Okay, for example, on third position, we can say nested listing. Whenever you ask about the listing, we can easily define the position of the particular content by using order listing. Clear? Do you know what about
yes, sir.
order? What is the meaning of order?
Arranging.
Arrangement of the particular label in sequential form, in alphabetical form, in alphabetical order, or in numbered format. Okay. And what is the meaning of unordered listing? When we represent the list
Unarranging.
with the help of not number or alphabet, with the help of symbol like this, we can use these types of symbol. Then we can say that it is which type of listing? Unordered listing. Okay.
Unordered listing.
Yes. Or if we mix the listing like this, we use order listing, and here we just place the unordered listing, and these types of listing is known as mixed listing. Clear? And that is also known as nested
Yes, sir.
listing. Clear? So there are all about the three
Yes, sir.
types of listing. First one is order, second one is unordered, and third one is nested listing. Clear concept?
Nested listing.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Topic is alignment. That is paragraph alignment. Paragraph alignment. How many types of alignment available in MS Word? There are 5 types of alignment available in MS Word. First one that is left, second right, center, and then justify, and forward justify. Forward justify. Clear? How many
Yes,
types
sir.
of alignment in MS Word? There are 5 types of paragraph.
There are 5 types of test.
Yeah,
Alignment. Paragraph alignment.
first one is left, second right,
Left,
third center, fourth
right,
justify, and last.
third center. Justify, fourth justify.
Yes. What are the basic difference? Just let's start. Here we just add a paragraph. Just see there. Here's a paragraph. In this paragraph, you can easily observe all the starting of the line in a right position from the left side. Okay. But in this right side, there are different positions in the right side. You can easily observe here, there. It is all the line aligned left. But in this direction, you can't say the right align. Okay, because some text is below in the alignment or out the alignment. Clear? If you want both
Yes,
sides
sir.
equally, then we can use, if you want to just align left, use left align, and its shortcut key is CTRL plus L. CTRL plus L for the left alignment. Clear? And for the right alignment,
Yes, sir.
here we use CTRL plus R.
R.
Okay, so just press your cursor here or just select it and click on this option. Here's the right alignment. What happened there? All the line aligned from the right side, not from the left side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to just align at all the line in center, here's the next option is center. When you click on this, all the lines in center align. And shortcut key is Control plus E. Control plus E. CTR plus E. Is the center alignment shortcut key. So just here we just place your cursor and press L. What happened? It becomes left alignment. When you press Control press R, it means right alignment. If we talk about center alignment, just press Control plus E. It becomes center alignment. Clear? So there are 3 types of alignment. Next topic is justify. What is the meaning of justify alignment? Justify means the both side of the line align equally. For example, if we use here justify alignment, what happened there? Here's the just see there, all the alignment are same, and here's the all the line on the same align. Okay, clear? So it will take equal
Yes,
space
sir.
from the margin of the page like this and from the left or right, and it will align paragraph that is known as justify. These types of alignment known as justify.
Justify.
When we use both alignment like left and right, okay, then we called it justify alignment. Okay, in this particular you can easily observe here is a left alignment and here is the right alignment.
Right alignment.
Okay, and these types of alignment known as justify alignment, and its shortcut key is CTRL plus
Plus
J. CTRL plus
G.
J for justify alignment. And what is the meaning of force justify? It means if the last line of the content is not fill the last aligned content or aligned position, then we use for justify, and the shortcut key is Control Shift plus J. Control Shift plus J. What happened there?
G.
Just see there. It will equalize the alignment of the last line from the left and right. Okay. It tries to align the last line of the paragraph equally as mentioned above. Okay. You just see there, it will
Yes,
manage
sir.
the alignment by using extra spaces between the letters or word. It is not very common. It is just like an error. So how can we remove these types of error? Simply, we just use Control plus J to remove these types of error. Okay. So whenever you just face occasionally these types of problem, you have to solve it by using Control plus J. And for justify shortcut is CTRL plus Shift.
Plus Shift plus J.
That is the shortcut key of force justify. Understood all the alignment?
Yes, sir.
How many types of alignment available in MS Word?
5.
Which one?
5. Left, right, center, justify, and force justify.
Okay. How many types of listing available in MS Word?
3 types of
Which one?
order listing, unordered listing, and nested listing.
Yeah. Or you can also say this listing is known as also mixed listing. Mixed listing. Okay. Clear. Here we use the another method of listing. Whenever you just want to make the list, just press 1 and start the bracket like this and just press space. It will automatically take the order listing. For example, if we type here, here, clear? If we want to define some content within the heading, just press tab. What is the meaning of tab? It helps to move in the sub label of the label. Clear? This is the primary label and this is the sub label. And this is the first, second. And if you want to just define the second, just press tab button. It will go into the second label heading. Okay. And here is type first and second. And if you want to move out of this particular listing, in this level of listing, just press enter and again enter. Don't type your text. What happened? It moves on right to left, and it will continue with the previous listing. And we again press enter. What happened? It comes into the main list. It comes into the main list. Clear concept? So this is the use of tab. So why we use tab? Tab helps us to sub-define our labels. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the use of listing and alignment. Next topic is what is the use of line spacing? You know line spacing? Here we see there is a line, and we can easily see here the line spacing is single line spacing. Single line spacing, the minimum space is single line spacing. If you want to increase the space between the lines, then we can go for this option. Here's the option is line and paragraph spacing. When we click here, here's the line spacing. will increase like this. Okay, you want to decrease here by using this. Okay, so it will increase or decrease according to your need, according to your work. Okay, you can select anyone.
Okay, sir.
And it's shortcut key if you want to just using the spacing, controlling the line spacing. शॉर्टकट की क्या होगा हमारा फर्स्ट शॉर्टकट की होगा सिंगल लाइन स्पेसिंग शॉर्टकट की CTRL plus 1 and double line spacing CTRL plus 2
control plus 2
and अगर if you want to just 1.5 line spacing 1.5 line space then we use CTRL plus 5. Clear? And we just apply this by using shortcut. We just press Control plus 2 double line spacing, Control 5 1.5 line spacing, and Control 1 for the single line spacing. Okay, when you press this shortcut key after the selecting the paragraph or just placing your cursor within the paragraph, and after that just you use this option, that is line spacing. Clear concept? If you want to just increase the space between the paragraphs, what will you do? You do by use this option, that is the add space before paragraph. When we use add space before paragraph means it adds some space before the paragraph and we add some space after the paragraph. Just see there, here we selecting the two paragraph like this, and after that here the option is add spacing. Just see there, when we're using this, the space, just watch there, look at there. Okay, clear? When we click here, what happened? The space become increase between the paragraphs. Clear? Or if we just remove it, it will decrease the space between the paragraph. Similarly, here's the remove space after paragraph. You see there is no space between these two paragraphs. If you want to just increase the space between these two paragraphs, just click here, and here's the option is add space after paragraph. Clear? So by these two options, we can use space, giving a space between the two paragraphs. You can choose anyone for this particular event or particular work. Clear concept?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So this is the option of line spacing and paragraph spacing. If we were talking about paragraph spacing shortcut key, that is a paragraph space before shortcut key is CTRL plus 0. 0 means 0. Clear? That is a number 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. CTRL plus O, not O, that is 0. Next one option is, when we go through this, here's the different types of options. That is the indent option. These are the two indent options. What is the use of this option? If you want to just shifting the content from the left to right, then you can use this option. What happened there? It will moving from left to right. Just see there. And it will increase the space or margin from the left side by using this option. If we want to just increase the space from the right position, from the right side, then we use indent. Clear? The serial. What happens?
Yes, sir.
It will remove the space as we enter. That is the indent. Shortcut is indent, and here is the outdent. Clear? And its shortcut key is Control plus M. Control plus M to indent and outdent. Key press Control Shift plus M. Just right there. Shortcut key of indent and outdent. Indent, left indent, CTRL plus M, and next
M.
Remove left indent, use Control
Control plus Shift
plus M.
plus M.
Clear concept? You understand
Yes, sir.
what is the meaning of indent? When we use indent, it's mean left indent. It
Yes,
means
sir.
we can want to just increase the space from the left side, like this manner. Okay. If you want to decrease the space, just press Ctrl Shift plus M, and it will decrease the space from the left side. Okay. And this is the option is indent, and here is the outdent. Clear? Increase indent, decrease indent.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So you can also just write here left indent, increase indent. You can also write here increase indent. Increase indent. And here we use decrease indent. Decrease indent. Clear concept? So these are the two
Yes, sir.
options by which we just manage the space from the left side, or just we go to the next option. If you want to make the heading in attractive form, usually you see these types of format in books. For example, chapter 1. If you want to just make the border outside this chapter heading, just go through this option. Firstly, there is the option. Here's option is what? All border. There are different types of border style available there. You can choose all border to insert this type of outline or box. Clear?
Yes,
And
sir.
after that, if you want to just fill the color in this particular block, here's the option is fill option. When you click here, you will get the color, and you can select any one color, and you just make your heading appealing like this. Clear?
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
So these are the different types. Chapter 1. If you want to just add chapter 2, and you want to just same format on this particular block, just after this, placing your cursor, and here's the option is all borders. You can choose here and choose all borders. If you want to just remove the border, just click on no border. It will remove and it will add. Okay, by this option we can just add and remove. And there are different types of the styles of border available there. So here we commonly use all border, and after that choose your color by using this option. Clear? And out?
Yes, sir.
If you want
No,
to
sir.
give the shade, if you want to just give shades in this particular box, you have to just go through this option, and here's option is more color. Here's a more color. If you want to just remove this color, just go on no color. So here we just go on more color, and you just try to select different shade by adjusting this type of arrow. Okay, you want to just dark, light,
Yes, sir.
and go through this option, and it is a standard color. You can choose any color or any box from here, and after that just click on OK. You will get the color in this particular box. Understood? Clear concept? Any doubt? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt? Concept clear हो गया आपको?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ गया कौन कौन से टॉपिक हमने कवर किया आज? हमने टॉपिक कवर की हमने फॉर्मेट,
Line,
yes,
form, different types of format, paragraph,
yes, not paragraph, that is
and
paragraph
line spacing.
alignment. Here we study
Paragraph alignment,
yes,
line spacing,
paragraph spacing,
paragraph spacing, and
indent, increase indent and decrease indent. Clear? Increase
yes, sir.
indent, decrease indent, and nested listing. 3 types of listing: border and color.
And color.
Fill color. Clear? Yeah? Or you can also say shading. So these are the option of paragraph. You can do this option. And here's the last option is that is sorting. What is the meaning of sorting? Sorting means if you want to just arrange this list in alphabetical order, just go through this, and here's the option is A to Z. When we click here, what happened? Here's the paragraph. Here's the paragraph, and you can choose ascending order or descending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order means if your order is in alphabetical order A to Z, descending means Z to A. So here we just order in ascending format. If you want to just place the order in ascending format, just click here and click on OK. What happened there? it will become alphabetical order. If you want to just decrease go there in this option, and here's the option is descending order. If you want to use descending order, it means Z becomes first and A becomes the last. When you click here, what happened? Just see there R, L, J, F, and C. C is the last character. Clear concept? So if you want to just
Yes, sir.
arrange the listing in alphabetical order, either ascending or descending, you can go for this sorting option. Clear?
Yes, sir.
These are the options by which you just handle the paragraph format, and this paragraph block already completed. Just do revision. I'm just sending you the link of this particular video. Just try it, and if you have any doubt, just place your comment, and after that I will solve your problem. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.